In today's video, I'm going to teach you Add Employee in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what details to enter so your new team member is set up correctly and ready for payroll. Before we start, it helps to have the essentials handy like the employee's legal name, hire date, email address, compensation details, and, if applicable, their tax and direct deposit information. Having this ready will make the process smooth and quick. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your main dashboard. From there, look for the section that helps you manage people and workforce tasks and select Team. This takes you into the area where you can manage everyone who works with your company. Inside Team, choose Employees. This view is designed specifically for staff on payroll, so it's the right place to add someone who will receive wages as an employee. Next, select Add an Employee. This opens a form where you'll enter the person's details. Take your time here. Start with the basics. Legal first and last name, email address if you want to send them onboarding information, and their hire date so reports and payroll timelines are accurate. Choose the employment type that fits how they work for you, such as full-time or part-time, and confirm the pay schedule they'll follow. Move on to compensation. Enter the pay rate, whether it's hourly or salary, and confirm how often they're paid based on your company's schedule. If you see fields for tax details, complete what applies in your region so taxes calculate correctly. If you're using direct deposit, you may also see options to enter bank information. Only add what you've been authorized to use and double-check numbers for accuracy. You can include a work location and address so local tax and compliance settings are correct. And, if applicable, assign a job title or department to help with reporting. As you fill things out, review for spelling, correct dates, and consistent pay frequency. Small errors can cause payroll issues later, so it's worth a quick check now. When everything looks right, click Add Employee to save. QuickBooks will take a moment to process and then return you to the employees list, where you should see the new person added. If you don't see the team or employees options, make sure your user role has permission to manage payroll or that your subscription includes the payroll features for your region. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an employee in QuickBooks Online and you're ready to keep moving with onboarding and payroll.